Travel, and today I bring for you a very delicious recipe, that is Gobi Paratha. Gobi is cauliflower and paratha is a flat fried bread, not exactly deep fried, but we use ghee or oil to make parathas. So it's very famous in Pakistan, and you will find Gobi Paratha as a street food in Pakistan, and we usually consume these kinds of stuffed Gobi Parathas on Sundays or on holidays in morning or lunch, mostly in lunch or in the breakfast. So let's check the recipe. And very important, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Foodistan Travels for more and more delicious, yummy-licious recipes. For paratha dough, we need 2 cups of flour, around 350 gram, a half teaspoon of carom seeds, ajwain, and water. I am using the same water I squeezed from cauliflower. You can use the other water as well, but this water gives an other flavor and also a salty flavor in parathas. So we need half teaspoon of ajwain, carom seeds. This is very helpful in digestion and taste. We'll mix the dry ingredients first. Now with the clean hands, we will start kneading the dough. Now at this moment, I am adding tap water. If you have more cauliflower water, salted water, you can add that one. Bring the dough on a flat surface and knead it properly. Drizzle a teaspoon of oil and spread it properly, and keep it rest for at least 30 minutes. For making the stuffing of Gobi Paratha, we will need 200 to 300 gram salted cauliflower. We have already done salting before. The spices we need are quarter teaspoon carom seed, half teaspoon of whole spice powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon fenugreek leaves, a teaspoon of black pepper, and half teaspoon turmeric powder. You can adjust the spices according to your flavor, especially you can add chili, red chili, and you can also increase the amount of black pepper if you like. We are not going to add salt because we already did salting and squeezed cauliflower. Now we will add all the spices and mix this cauliflower properly. Additionally, you can add half teaspoon or according to your taste dry mango powder or grated ginger if you like, or a small amount of lemon juice. These 3 ingredients are optional. If you like it, you can add it. Okay, so cauliflower stuffing and dough for parathas are ready. Now we will make parathas. Gobi ke parathe. Now we will start making dough. We will take this size of ball and with the help of dry flour we will make balls. First we will make dough balls and then we will go further. Repeat the process with all the dough. After making these dough balls, we will stuff these grated cauliflower into these balls. First, we will take one ball and do it like this. Now, with the help of our hand, we will make a round flat ball. Like a bowl shape, we will just extend this with the help of our thumb. Once it's flat, now we will add cauliflower stuffing. We will add cauliflower stuffing about 2 tablespoons or according to your choice, but do not overstuff. Press it and then make a pouch like this and fold it like this and press it down. Then press with the help of your fingers and put it back. We will repeat the process. I will show you one more. So all the dough balls are properly stuffed with cauliflower, and now we will roll these stuffed cauliflower dough and make a paratha. Now we will take one dough, sprinkle flour, press it with hand, and with rolling pin we will slowly and lightly roll the dough. Okay, so let's do the taste test of this yummy delicious parathas. Okay, so I have these parathas with a lot of delicious side dishes like yogurt, green chili, some garlic pickles, some chilies, and vegetable raita. I'm going to start by taking this one, transferring the butter. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so soft. Okay, so I've taken this. Using this, let's say some garlic, yogurt, and a little bit of chili. Oh my god. I just somewhere else, and it's super delicious. You can also try this and share your experience, and if you have any question regarding this recipe, and subscribe my channel Foodistan Travel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook for detailed recipes.